Hello children, my name is Alok Ghosh. In this video, I am going to discuss about pollution of air and water. This is chapter number 18 from class 8 NCERT science book. So children, in my previous video, I have started this topic, and in my previous video, I have discussed about that what is air pollution, means when the air gets contaminated by few gases or few substance, so air get polluted, and this is called air pollution. Then we have discussed about air pollutant, that what are air pollutant. Air pollutants are nothing but those substances or those gases which are responsible for polluting the air. Okay. Now in this video, I will discuss that how this air gets polluted. Okay. So friends, how air get polluted. So in my previous video, I have discussed little bit about how air get polluted. In this video, I will briefly discuss about how the air get polluted. Okay. So the main reason behind the polluted air is air pollutant. What are air pollutant? These are several gases, smoke, and many lots of other things. Okay. So, guys, what are the different sources which are responsible or which are producing this air pollutant? Okay. So the first one is industries. Industries and factories. Industries and factories are the most important factors which are polluting air. Friends, as we know that in industry or in this factory, there are lots of heavy work is being done to produce different types of things. And during this production, there is a need of a very huge amount of energy. And this energy is produced by burning of substance like coal, petroleum, etc. So as we have seen that in industry or in different factories, there are chimneys were present. The chimneys are a heighted, rounded pipe-like structure in which coal is being produced. In which coal are burned. Generally, in chimney, coal are burned, and when this coal burns, it produces a huge amount of energy. So the energy is being used by the industry and factory, but while we burn this coal, it produces lots of smokes. Like, show me you this with the help of a diagram. Like, suppose there is a huge industry, as I am drawing a rough structure over here. Okay. Suppose it's a huge industry, there are different compartments were present. With that, very tall heighted chimneys are present. Okay. Very tall heighted chimneys are present. Over here, we generally burn the coal. burning of coal. So in chimney, burning of coal take place, which produces lots of energy, which is used by or used within this industry for production of different things. But this burning of coal produces lots of smoke, which is released from the upper part of the chimney into atmosphere. And when these smokes were released into the atmosphere, so in these smokes, there are different gases and substances are present, which contaminates the air. So because of this type of chimney which produces many smokes, air get polluted. And friends, the another important or interesting thing is that this type of chimneys works 24 into 7 hours. Means they never stop. They are continuously burning coals and they are continuously producing this type of smoke. So when you will see or when you will go into an industrial area, you just observe over there. There are a lot of tall chimneys were present, and from those chimney continuously smokes were coming out. So that's why our air is continuously getting polluted day by day, and the quality of air is getting down day by day. Okay. Now the another factor. Now the another factor of air pollution is vehicle. Vehicles. So guys, as population is increasing day by day, not only in India, in throughout the world. So as the number of population or number of people are increasing day by day, so the demand of the vehicle of different type is also increasing day by day. The passengers in aeroplane, the passenger in train, the passenger in buses or in ships were increasing day by day. Also, the number of person were increasing day by day who are purchasing the two-wheeler vehicle or four-wheeler vehicle or different types of vehicle. Okay, so this vehicle generally uses petrol and diesel, and by burning of this petrol and diesel, this vehicle runs. So while this vehicle burn this petroleum, that is petrol or diesel, they also produce lot of smokes, which is also very harmful in nature. Okay. Now the another reason is lots of pollution from domestic uses. Like in our home, we generally burn coal, wood for the for cooking of our food. Okay. So during the process of when we are cooking our food, we use as coal or wood for burning, and from the flames we cook food. So while we burn the coal or this wood, it also produces a huge amount of smoke, which is also responsible for polluting the air. Okay. So my next topic in this section is what can be done to control this air pollution. Okay. So, what are the things which we can do to control air pollution? So, to control air pollution, the first things which we human can do to plant trees. By planting tree, as I have said in this video earlier, that plants are able to purify the air. So by planting numbers of trees, we can reduce the air pollution because plants are able to purify the air. Then by using public transport, we can reduce air pollution. If we will not use our own vehicle, if we will use the public transport, so by that also we can reduce air pollution. Then by using LPG gas in our home for cooking food, we can reduce air pollution. Then by using the vehicle which is operated from CNG, we can also reduce air pollution. Okay, so these are the important things which I have discussed in my video, that what are the, that how air get polluted and what are the facts, or what are the things which we can do to control this air pollution. Thank you.